This is the demo video for Call 362 project by Group 40. I will first run the server. Desktop call 362 project. Project and then tool on wheels. There it is, run.sh. Yeah. Okay, sorry. Conda activate call 362. Yeah, and then run.sh. So our server is running. Let's start the demo. So welcome to Tour on Wheels. This is the clone of IRCTC online ticket booking platform. We will start by searching the train between stations on a particular date. So we will, for the demo purpose, I will take Jaipur. Let's select the date, today's date, and Ajmer. So Ajmer Junction, find train. Let's pick the first train. So this shows the seat available in each class. So let's choose a class, say first AC. So you can just enter the details, booking detail, depend is 20, sorry, is 20, and see all the seats are not available because we saw that only 66 seats are available. So H1 to H6 are booked. So among the available seat, you can choose any one seat. You can add more user. Let's say we add another user, and if we happen to choose the same seat for two different person, then it will show a error showing that a single seat can only be booked to a single person. So in case suppose two people are working, two people are booking seats, suppose user A is working on this tab and user B is working on this tab, and both happen to choose the same seat, say H17, and here suppose different user Manoj, he's also looking for the same seat and chooses H1 to book, but the first one to click the book ticket will get this ticket, and the one who happened to click it later will get an error, same error, a single seat can only be booked to a single person. So see, this ticket has been booked and the PNR number assigned to this booking is 11. It is a 10-digit string. We will check the status. So PNR inquiry. Suppose we enter the PNR number to inquire 1 2 3 4 5 6 7 8 9, sorry 11. Suppose we enter some random PNR, suppose 23, which I guess is not available in the database. So we get an invalid PNR number. So 1 2 3 4 5 6 7 8 9 11. You can see the status, it is booked. We can also cancel this ticket, and let's go to home page. And before that, okay, see that we have just now booked the H1 coach. We have booked the seat number it's 7 in H1 coach for the train 12/9/8/58. So let's again try to book the same seat in the same train on the same date, that is 4th April, sorry 5th April. So Jaipur, 5th April, Ajmer. The train was 12/9/58. First AC. See, earlier it was 66, now it is 65. And the seat number H7 is not available. Why? Because that is booked to a person called Manoj. 1 2 3 4 5 6 7 8 10. See, but suppose Suppose if we cancel the ticket, localhost 5042, sorry 5040, if we cancel the ticket, say double 1 2 3 4 5 6 7 8 9 10, and the name was Manoj. I guess the name was Manoj. It is case sensitive, so okay, so you have to write in small Manoj, and there we go. See, we have just now cancelled the ticket. We can check it on, we can just inquire about it. 0 0 0 0 0 0 0 1 1, okay, 0 0 0 0 0 0. So it is now cancelled. Now if we refresh this page, and we will see, then H17 is again available, because just now we have cancelled this ticket. Earlier it was booked, so we were not able to book that ticket. So so this is all. We can search trains between stations, we can book our ticket, and we can inquire about our ticket, we can cancel ticket, we can book multiple ticket at the same time. I mean, suppose A, B, C person, age 10, 11, 12, gender male, female, prefer not to say, 7, 8, same email ID, let's give the same email ID, 9, and C. Now three tickets are being booked and the PNR number assigned to this booking is 12. We can cancel one particular person ticket on this PNR. So we'll go to home page. We will select the PNR 0 0 0 0 0 1 2, one more 0. Suppose we want to cancel the ticket for the person B. We'll submit it, and we'll see that that particular ticket is been cancelled, not the whole ticket that has been assigned to this PNR. Thank you.